production efficiency. The power behind peak performance. Simply put, production efficiency is all about achieving maximum output with minimal waste. Think of it as producing the most goods possible with your current resources, labor, machinery, and raw materials while maintaining quality. This balance is key for companies striving to lower costs and improve profitability. Imagine a factory capable of producing 10,000 units per day. If only 8,000 units are produced, its efficiency is at 80%. Improving that number involves not just working faster but smarter. Companies often start by evaluating their processes, eliminating bottlenecks, and investing in technology like IoT and automation systems. For example, preventive maintenance can keep equipment running smoothly, while real-time data collection helps spot inefficiencies before they escalate. Employees, too, play a big role. Well-trained staff can identify issues early and suggest process improvements. In today's competitive landscape, optimizing production efficiency isn't just a cost-saving measure, it's about staying ahead. So whether you're in manufacturing, energy, or any other sector, production efficiency is key to long-term growth and sustainability.